Meaning of hole-in-one.
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 Hole-in-one. Hole-in-one is a term used in the game of golf to describe a shot that goes directly into the hole on the first stroke from the tee. Also known as an ace, this is a rare and highly coveted feat among golfers, as it requires both precision and luck. The result of a hole-in-one is a score of 1 on that particular hole, the lowest possible score on a single hole. It is celebrated with enthusiasm, often including expressions of awe and congratulations from fellow players and spectators alike.